All right, this your boy John. I just went back to Big Mo's Kitchen on Cherry Hill and Haggerty in Canton. So what I got this time is the smoked brisket sandwich with Parmesan fries. Oh, let me show y'all how this gonna be. And then make sure y'all hit that follow like button. Brisket meal was like I would say $13 for the sandwich and then $6.50 for the fries and the drink. So let me show you how this boy look. You know that boy, and then I'm gonna show you the sandwich. Now this is a huge sandwich, man. Like when I tell you, man, I got oh my God. They got brisket on there, clove saw, Bam sauce. Man, let me show you this boy. Golly, man, this is nice, and for $13, oh yeah, this is nice. Nice size, hold on. Whew. Let me take another bite, hold on. Boy, look, it's messy. Y'all could tell how this boy, you know. The brisket got the nice chocolate taste, nice tender meat, clove saw, just right on there. The bun, it's a soft bun, which is definitely nice. Oh, it's gonna fall apart, so it's gonna make you messy. I would give this right here, the brisket. I give this a 9. This is nice. Like, I can honestly say the brisket is falling off the bone. It's not hard. It's just right. I like I said, yeah, this is, y'all won't be disappointed.